Hello, sir. Sir, I came to know in Telangana High Court, judges are imposing fine from 5 lakhs to 1 crore on some advocates and the parties. To what extent it is true? And if the client or the advocate doesn't pay, what will happen?
Yes, sir. In the recent times, not only Telangana High Court, the high courts across the country and Honorable Supreme Court of India also are heavily imposing fines of 5 lakhs, 25 lakhs, even 1 crore is the highest, which I have seen imposed by our own Telangana High Court. That is because there are some uh, petitioners or the respondents who are filing false affidavits or misleading the courts, suppression of facts. They are suppressing that they have earlier filed some writ petitions and they are not disclosing and they are trying to file fresh. Such kind of cases, it is something called fraud being played upon the court. There is a 7 years punishment to that. Normally, it is called crime of perjury, and the court should impose. And not only that, it's when the perjury is being committed in constitutional courts like High Court or Supreme Court, that will additionally attract the punishment of under the criminal contempt. Another 6 months of punishment is also there. Apart from that, fine will be imposed. How far it is correct means it has to be. It is 100% correct on part of the judiciary, because judiciary is not a playground. This is not my words, this is the words of the Honorable Supreme Court of India in various judgments. They said that judiciary is temple of justice. Anybody who comes to the courts has to come with clean hands. That is called doctrine of clean hands. He should not suppress the facts for a material benefit or a gain. So therefore, every petitioner is expected to state truth before the courts. If they are trying to mislead or state false before the courts, definitely they will be penalized and punished. And if they do not pay that fine, they can go for an appeal and request and say apologies, and they can get the fine waived off, or to lesser decrease the fine amounts. But if they totally ignore and do not pay, then definitely the high courts will proceed and with an attachment to their properties, and they will recover that amounts.